In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken Pro. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Kraken Pro, you need to deposit funds from your wallet, okay? So I'm gonna go back to my screen and go and use my Kraken wallet in order to deposit funds, okay? Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just hit trade at the bottom right, okay? That purple button. And now you're gonna see a pop-up window, 3 options: buy, sell, convert. I'm gonna hit buy, okay? Now I'm gonna use, of course, my own money to buy Bitcoin. So in my case, or in this video case, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin into the amount, obviously, okay? And let's say 25, okay? Now I'm gonna choose the payment method, let's say the MasterCard, okay? Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just hit the arrow to continue, okay? And basically hit confirm to verify your payment method, and just wait for Kraken to process your payment, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the Bitcoin will be deposited as a crypto. See you in the next one.